Okay, so welcome to Building Rock, Paper, Scissors with Code Academy. I am the coding teacher and I'm here to teach you how to code. This is exercise 4, and like I was mentioning before, they're explaining to you now that math.random is between 0 and 1, and we need to translate this in random number into a random choice of rock, paper, scissors. So let's get rid of this guy right here, and let's do what they say that we should do. Computer choice is less than. So if computer choice is between 0 and 0.33, right? So we know that it already is a number between 0 and 1, right? So all we have to do is check that it's less than 0.33. And if that's the case, then we're going to say computer choice equals rock. Else, if computer choice is less than 0.66, then we're going to say computer choice equals paper. Finally, actually, you know what? I should do less than or equal to, just to be safe, to be technically more correct there. Else, computer choice equals scissors. We close our brace like this. Let's style my code a little bit, and I want to do this, just add a little bit more precision right there, because the fewer the amount of decimals I have, the bigger the probability of this guy is with respect to the other two. So there, it's close enough to, 1/3 that it satisfies my nerd brain. And there we go. Okay, so yeah, that's basically all they wanted us to do in this video. I'm going to separate this for clarity. And is there anything else I want to cover here? Oh yes, so let's see how this is working. We first check if computer choice is less than 0.33. If that's correct, then we're going to set it to rock. This else is not going to run, right? So if it was less than 0.33, we have basically 3 possible outcomes. It's between 0 and 0.333, or it's greater than 0.333 and less than or equal to 0.6666, and in that case it's paper, or it's greater than 0.6666, and in that case it's scissors. Why don't we need to put here, something like computer choice less than that and computer choice greater than 0.333? Well, because the fact that we hit this else to begin with, means that this wasn't true. So we first check if it's less than 0.333, right? And if it is, we execute this. If it's not, we execute this. So the only way we'll even get to this part of the code is if the variable is not less than or equal to 0.333. So when we're checking if it's less than 0.666, we already know that it's greater than 0.333. So that's why we don't have to check if it's both. And similarly, when we get to this else, we don't have to check for anything, because at this point, we know that it's not less than 0.333. We know that it's not less than or equal to 0.6666. So we know that it has to be greater than this number that's right here. So we just set it to scissors right there. Okay, I hope that's clear. If you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the comments. And I hope that's been helpful to you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.